Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure a credit card with Virgin America. Detailed guide step by step. To configure a credit card with Virgin America, begin by visiting the Virgin America website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you'll need to create one by selecting the sign up option and following the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the My Profile section of your account. Look for the option labeled Payment Methods or Manage Payment Options. Click on that option to proceed. Next, select Add a new credit card to input your card details. Enter your credit card number, expiration date, and the security code located on the back. Include the name on the card and the billing address associated with it. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid any transaction issues. After entering your details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save button to store your credit card information. You may also have the option to set this card as your default payment method. To do this, check the box that indicates you want to use this card for future bookings. Once saved, a confirmation message will appear indicating that your credit card has been successfully added. You can now use this card for purchasing tickets and additional services on Virgin America. If you encounter any issues, consult the FAQs or contact customer support for assistance. Your credit card details are now securely configured with Virgin America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.